I was a project manager in construction company, but now I am retired.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Your voice is not very clear, sir. Can you please?
Mr. G.R. Manjunath introduced me. My name is Gunashekaran. Sir, I am Gunashekaran.
Yes, please. Thank you. Yeah.
So hearing me, Mr. G.R. Manjunath has introduced me.
Very good. Okay.
I am a project manager, retail project manager working construction company.
Okay.
I see your subjects and all. Once I go,
Okay.
I will. Mr.
All right.
G.R. Manjunath has introduced.
ನಿಮ್ಮ voice, it's breaking in between. Anyway, fine. Fantastic, sir. Okay. So who else? First timers. Lalit from Qatar, introduced by Daneka. Okay. Fantastic.
Yeah,
Mr. Lalit. Yeah. Welcome, Mr. Laljit. Okay. Yeah. Manjunatha.
Yeah, hi, myself Manjunatha.
Yes.
Currently, I'm working as a software engineer.
Okay.
Actually, I'm basically from Tamil Nadu. Now I'm staying in Bangalore.
Okay.
One of my previous organization colleague introduced. His name is Mr. Rakesh.
Fantastic. So you are based out of Tamil Nadu. Which part of Tamil Nadu?
Near Hosur.
Near Hosur. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Because
But
we have a business in Tamil Nadu as well as in Karnataka, Kerala. Very strong in Karnataka and Kerala. We have entered into Tamil Nadu. Business is doing wonders. We as MCP has come in newly. Okay.
But since 15 years, I'm staying in Karnataka.
In Karnataka. Okay. Okay. Fantastic. Which place in Bangalore?
Whitefield. Kadugudu.
Whitefield. Oh, great. No issues. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Anybody else, please? Anybody else? Anybody else who's coming for the first time, or anyone just wanted to add anything? Otherwise, we will move on with Mr. Vijay. You're coming for the first time? Yes, sir.
Can you hear me?
Yes, very much, sir.
My name is Vijay Shankar. I'm calling from Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu.
Okay.
The first time.
Okay, fine, sir. So we will try to. Okay, what is your background, sir? What do you do?
My background is telecommunication. I do a small business.
Okay.
Sales and service of IT and communication.
Fantastic, sir. Okay.
Produced by one Sri Suma from Kannur, Kerala.
Brilliant. Okay. Fantastic, sir. So, Mr. Murali, can we go ahead? We are slightly late. If fine, I will just start up with our presentation. Apurva, can we go ahead? Because do we need to wait for anybody, or do we move ahead?
I think so. We can move ahead.
Okay. Because I did not get to hear anything from Mr. Murali. So you please, check in terms of people joining in and others and Mike. Okay. So
Yes,
I
sir.
would do ask. Friends, good evening to everyone. Elrugu namaskara. My name is John Mario. I am the Regional Director and Master Channel Partner for Global Garner, Karnataka. And we are growing very strong in terms of the team, and with a solid team like Murali Avaridara, Jessica, Apurva, we are growing strong day by day under the leadership of Mr. Vinesh. Okay. So today's session is going to be blend both English and Kannada. Wherever you are getting stuck, okay, so I'll try to keep it 60% in English and 40% in Kannada. But wherever you are stuck, ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ FAQ session will be at the end of the program. ಒಂದು 45 minutes presentation ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Presentation ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ we would have the question answers. Okay. So I request all of you to cooperate, and then we are moving on to our presentation. So you all need to be really happy and thankful for your invitees who has brought you for this session. Okay. So with this, we will go ahead with our presentation. ನನ್ನ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ? ನನ್ನ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? I think Apurva ma'am, you need to take care of this admitting. See, like this messages keep coming. Please take care of it. Okay.
Yes, sir, I'll do it.
Thank you very much. So friends, we are talking about something really wonderful, a digital platform. What we are talking about, what is the digital revolution what we are creating. So this digital revolution idu already established. There is nothing new. We are not doing something entirely new. Already established agirodu. We are making use of this platform, and we call this as a wealth opportunities world. Hagagi, it is not one, it's an opportunity for all. Okay, that is what we call wealth opportunities. ಒಬ್ರು ಈಗ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಮಾಡೋರು ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡೋರು ಇಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋರು ಆ ತರ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಟು one person, it is for all. So we are moving on to the presentation. As India, we have 138 crore population, 138 ಕೋಟಿ ಜನದ ಇರೋ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 100 crore ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಯೂಸರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, 100 crore ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಯೂಸರ್ಸ್. So there's no reinvention. Mobile is something which is already there, and e-commerce shopping, e-shopping ಅನ್ನೋದು still it is only at a 7%. ಇನ್ನು ರೀಚ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಮೇ ಬಿ ಮೆಟ್ರೋಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಶಾಪಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ಬಟ್ ಅದು ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಡೈಲಿ ಮಾಡೋ ವಿಷಯ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಫಾರ್ ಅಸ್. 100% ನಾವು ಯುಟಿಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಇದೆ, ಅಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಮೇಡ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಆರ್ ಅ ನ್ಯೂ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ಅಂಡ್ ಈ ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ಗಾರ್ನರ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೌಡ್ಲಿ ಮೇಡ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಕಂಪನಿ, ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಬೇರೆ ಸುಮಾರು ಹಲವಾರು ಕಂಪನಿಗಳು, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ನೋ ದಟ್ .com ಕಂಪನೀಸ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅದರ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಟು ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ಬಟ್ ನಾವು ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಇಂದ ಬೇರೆ ಕಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ, ಅಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫಾರ್ 1 or 2 countries, 177 countries, 187 countries we can do a business. That is what is the power of this business. So as I told, it's a made in India concept, and we had a very humble start. Okay, ಕೇವಲ ಒಂದು 3 ಲಕ್ಷ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಂಡವಾಳ ಹಾಕಿ ನಾವು ಇದು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಒಂದು ಕಂಪನಿ. Okay, I'm just trying to see. Okay, so we have started as a private limited company. February will start ಮಾಡಿರೋದು 2016 ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ now we just moved on with today we are a public limited company. Within the span of 5 years, we are officially not launched yet. ಇನ್ನು ಪ್ರೀ ಲಾಂಚ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೀವಿ. 210 crore GMV ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. GMV ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಮರ್ಚೆಂಡೈಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. This is a turnover. In a regular business, we call it a turnover. When it is an e-commerce platform, we call it a gross merchandise value. As I told, Kevala, just mere 3 lakh is the investment what we have done, and we started the company. But today it is magnificently grown. A 3 lakh invested company, e varsha live current year 2020 ge we have paid an advance tax of 70 lakhs. First time any startup 70 lakhs advance tax now kattidivi with 3 crores GST. So this is what is the power, and we have moved from private limited to public limited. Now we got private limited company alla public limited company. From a private limited we moved to public limited company. Public limited andre limited company. Okay, so iga we have got a immense growth. 2019 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 216 crore GMV ittu valuation. This is not a turnover, it's a valuation. Every company will be valuated. So then we jump to 255. Adadmele iga currently 6,680 crores is the valuation, and it is done by the official valuator, registered valuator Keyur Shah. And e valuation document kuda, ee dakhlegalu documents will be available to you on net. Illandre whoever has invited you, nimna invite ಮಾಡಿರೋರು ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ನೀವು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ಈ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. Okay, so just imagine from a 3 lakh a growth of 6,680 crores, something which is unimaginable. 2,700% growth of a valuation approximately. Okay, so now who is the person behind this? In the kind of a magnificent growth what has been Mr. Vikas Rawat, who is the founder and CMD. Okay, he was already awarded 2017 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ಸೊ 2018 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 CMs ಇಂದ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So this is one as a Gujarat Young Achiever and then Z Business Leader. So 2016 start ಮಾಡಿರೋದು, 2017 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಪ್ ಲಾಂಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, 2018 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 CMs have awarded. So that is the kind of a concept. ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕೋರ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕಾಪಿರೈಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಕಾಪಿರೈಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಇಟ್ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಡೂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್, ನಮ್ಮ ವೆಂಡರ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾರು ಡೂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಎ ಕಾಪಿರೈಟ್. ಡೆಟೋ ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕಾಪಿರೈಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಯಾರು ಅಷ್ಟು ಸುಲಭವಾಗಿ ಕಾಪಿರೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಕಾಪಿ ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಕಾಪಿರೈಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು 187 ಕಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕಾಪಿರೈಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗ್ರೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದಿ ಅದರ್ ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೀಸ್, we are going to be, really doing wonders in terms of. So now moving on to, just to add all of to this, we also have Times of India group. I think there is nobody in this group who do not know Times of India. Definitely eldrigu gottide. Times of India and company 180 years old company. Okay, and they are also an investing partner with us. Our invest madidare andre, you should understand directly our endorsing Global Gunner ಅನ್ನೋದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಟಾಮ್ ಡಿಕ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆತರ ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸಣ್ಣ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇರೋ ಕಂಪನಿ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಪವರ್ಫುಲ್. So that is why Times of India has joined hands with us. Okay, they have invested with us 50 crore media currency. Friends, just imagine madkoli, one ad in Times of India, one page. You see the number of people coming in, number of vendors coming in. But namma approach, it is not like that. We collect, pick and choose selected people, gotiroru, those who have got fire in the belly, those who are looking for opportunity. A process is there. It is not opportunities available for everybody. I'll explain it why, how it is. So you all need to be really happy this evening. You are part of this presentation because you are a chosen one, you are a lucky one. That's all I can say. Because in business, so you will understand how big and how strong it is. Okay, and we are the first one in the entire world. He spend economy. Okay, ನೀವು ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಸುಮಾರು ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಈಗ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಎಕನಾಮಿ. ಎವ್ರಿ ರುಪಿ ನೀವು ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಸ್ವಂತ ಖರ್ಚಿಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಆಸ್ ಅನ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಬೋತ್ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಆಫ್ಲೈನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಅ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಡ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ವೆಂಡರ್ಸ್. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸೇ ಯು ಆರ್ ಅ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್. ನಿಮ್ದು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಒಂದು ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಕಾರ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, whatever the business that you have, both online and offline, we can help you sell your product and services on a post-paid concept. Ivattu kuda 7 o'clock ಒಂದು ಪವರ್ಫುಲ್ ಸೆಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಬೌಟ್ ವೆಂಡರ್. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಫ್ರೀ, ನೀವು ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ದ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟರ್, ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಓಪನ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ವೈಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು. ಇದು ಇಡೀ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಟೀಮ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ವೆಂಡರ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಅ ಯೂಸರ್ ಆಪ್. ಯೂಸರ್ ಆಪ್ ಇದು ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಯೂಸರ್ ಆಪ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಪವರ್ಫುಲ್. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಬಿಗ್ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, 20 ಕೋಟಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ ನ ನೀವು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಖರೀದಿ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಯಾವುದೇ ಪದಾರ್ಥ ಇರಲಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇಷ್ಟ ಪಡೋ ಪದಾರ್ಥಗಳನ್ನ ನೀವು ಖರೀದಿ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬೈ ಇಟ್, ದ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್, ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬೈ ಫೋರ್ಸ್. John is telling, Apurva is telling, Murali is telling, Mr. Gayatri madam, no. You can pick and choose the product of your choice. Okay, so that is the concept, and we have more vendors. So there's another adding a feather into the entire concept that I've explained right now is, every purchase that you do, ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ನ ನೀವು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೇನು, 2ರಿಂದ 10% ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆಸ್ ಅ ರಿಯಲ್ ಮನಿ, ಅಂಡ್ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಅರ್ನಿಂಗ್ 1 crore. 1 ಕೋಟಿ ನೀವು ಅರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೂ ಒಂದು ಅವಕಾಶ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಉತ್ತಮ ಅವಕಾಶ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಒಂದು 10,000 ನೀವು ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ಗಾರ್ಡನ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, you will be earning 1 crore. So these are all making Global Gunner a unique company, and we are the first one to digitalize conventional buying ಮತ್ತು selling through our digital model. Digital model also we'll explain it to you. So how does this work, Global Gunner? It's a very simple concept. ಈ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ ನ ನೀವು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಎಂಟೈರ್ Global Gunner business ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So all of us are buyers. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್. 138 ಕೋಟಿ ಜನದಾರು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಬಯರ್ಸ್, ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್, ಎವ್ರಿ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್. ಸೊ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ನಾವು we go into a vendor, we walk into Croma, we take it Flipkart, directly buy the product, pay, and we forget. But Global Gunner is now coming in between the customer and the manufacturer supplier product through our GG app. I already explained how powerful this app is. This app is free. It is not that you need to make a deposit or you need to buy. It's totally free. So ಈ ಆಪ್ ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿರೋ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ನ ನೀವು ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನ ನೀವು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ನೀವು ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್. ಸೊ the vendor is agreed to pay a commission to Global Garner. This is between Global Garner and the vendor. So there is nothing to do with the customer. ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ, ನಮ್ಮ ಆಪ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿರೋ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ನ ನೀವು ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನ ನೀವು ಪದಾರ್ಥಗಳನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀರಾ. The vendor will pay to Global Garner. In turn, vendor also pays a commission to Global Garner. We convert that as a cashback, systematic cashback. What is cashback? ನಾನು explain ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. In the upcoming slides I will be explaining what is this cashback. So this is the concept in simple. You and me are customers, whoever has got a product and services. Okay, it can be a consultant. Okay, so we go through the app and get the product and services. Global Garner gets a commission. A commission 100% Global Garner retain ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. We give it back to the customer. In simple, we empower people. That is the concept of Global Garner. So ಈಗ ಯಾವ ಮಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ company will be growing? It's going to be a real eye opener for all of you. The information you can get it in the Google. India is spending 210 lakh crore every month on domestic matra. This I am not telling about luxury Audi, BMW ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Domestic expenditure is about 210 lakh crore and 30% is what we are targeting. ನಾವು greedy ಅಲ್ಲ, 100% ನಾವು ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ಗುರಿ 30% ಕನ್ವರ್ಷನ್. 30% ನಾವು ಕನ್ವರ್ಷನ್ ನಾವು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಕೂಡ we will be getting a turnover and GMB of 63 lakh crore. So, and by this, we will be number one in India because we are trying to get this. ನಮ್ಮ ಗುರಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ March 2020 ಒಳಗೆ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಅಚೀವ್ ಮಾಡೋದೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಗುರಿ. So we need support from all of you and entire India, and we are going to achieve this. So this is a very simple concept. We take the power from customer ಇಂದ ತಗೊಂಡು ಅವರು ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ತಗೊಳ್ತಿದಾರ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್, ಕಮಿಷನ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. We empower back the customer back to. So this is what we talk about. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಶೇರ್ ಬೇಕು, ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಜಿನ್ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ you should be an investor. You should have invested in the company. ಒಂದು ಶೇರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. Here you are not invested in Amazon, Flipkart and Kalyan. Still ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದಲ್ಲಿ ಖರ್ಚು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆದ್ರೇನು ಥ್ರೂ GG and your reference ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಜಿನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕಮಿಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನಿಮಗೂ ಲಾಭ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. This is exactly is what we call it as a power from customer and to customer. Okay, so with this concept we are getting into who is this Global Garner for. ಯಾರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ Global Garner ಬೇಕು, ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ Global Garner ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೈ ಜೋಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು you can get the benefit. Every Indian, because ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್, ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ customers of any of the product and services. ಎರಡನೇದು, anybody looking for a job, you're looking for a job, software, IT, whatever it is, we are planning to have 72 lakh jobs, not immediately overnight, over a period of time. But time being, any of the programmer, developer, we have a job opening in Bangalore and in Ahmedabad. So even somebody who's looking for an employment opportunity, you can approach Global Garner, provided the JD is suiting in, and we will be able to get an opportunity. Very importantly, any vendor means anybody who has got a product and service consultant. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾರು ಬೇಕು? ಹೊಸ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು. ಈಗ Wipro, you can take Wipro, you can take Infosys, you can take any of the bigger top brands. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಹೊಸ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್. Yes or no? So when the new customers, we are going to give it, and definitely we will be handy for every business owner kuda. Somebody looking for a new opportunity, ಈಗ because my existing business or my existing job is not really handy, ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಏನಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಪಾರ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಫ್ರಾಂಚೈಸಿ ನಾನು ಡೀಲರ್ಶಿಪ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. Yes, Global Garner is ideal for you. You already have a very strong business, ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ತಿಂಗಳು, you want an additional income. Okay, here is an opportunity. You can join Global Garner. Part-time, retired, housewife, lot of people from defense are joining our team. Very notable defense people are also joining. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ they know this power of digital marketing and they know they cannot sit idle at home and they are looking for additional income. Self-employed, ಇಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ, ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ದುಡ್ಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಂಡವಾಳ ಹಾಕಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗೆ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕಾಲೇಜ್, ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ Global Garner. ಆರ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್, I wanted to migrate myself to global market. You can do, because ನಮ್ಮ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ 187 countries ಅಲ್ಲಿ already, which means we have taken a copyright. Shortly we will be moving. So in a nutshell, ಈ Global Garner business, it's an opportunity for all. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ uttama avakasha. That is all I just wanted to tell, and move on with the presentation of 4 parts irutte. One is for the vendor. What are the benefits for a vendor? So let's say you as a vendor, you just think of yourself, you are owning a shop or you're owning a business or an office. If you want to increase sales, what you need to do? You need to get on with marketing. ಖರ್ಚು ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಹೋರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಸ್. ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಅ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್. ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ಅ ಕನ್ಸಲ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಅನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರ್ಟ್ ಒಪಿನಿಯನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರ್ಟ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. somebody who has been successful in that particular field you take. You need to do more of a training. Even what we are doing is a kind of a training. We are trying to do a preparation. Okay, paid listing, very common thing. Sulekha, Just Dial, Quikr, Common Floor, Property Fistel, what not. And none of them put your product and service without a payment. Okay, and you are getting X number of sales. You want to multiply it to 2x. 10 ಜನ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಫೀಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, 20 ಜನ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಟೀಮ್ ನ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ your sales also will increase. So in a nutshell, ನಿಮ್ಮ ವ್ಯಾಪಾರ ಗ್ರೋ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಬೇಕು, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಜಿನ್ ಬೇಕು, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ you need to do all of this, and nothing comes in free. And doing all this also, you do not get a guaranteed sale. ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೇನು guaranteed sale ಅಂತ ಇದೆಯಾ? They can only give you a lead. They can give some references. Guaranteed sale ಯಾರು ಪ್ರಾಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವುದೇ 5 ಲಕ್ಷ ನೀವು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಕೂಡ, ಸುಲೇಖಾ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಡೈಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಕೂಡ, ಯಾರು ನಿಮಗೆ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಕಮಿಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡಬಾರದು, ಕೊಡೋದು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟೇ ನೀವು ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಜಗಳ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕೂಡ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಡ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ತರ ಯಾರು ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್, ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿಡ್ ಸೇಲ್. ಬಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ಗಾರ್ನರ್ ನಾವೇನ್ ನಮ್ ಕಮಿಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ? ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಯು ಆನ್ ಟು ಅ ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಇರ್ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್. ಒಂದು ತರಕಾರಿ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು, ಒಂದು ಕಿರಾಣಾ ಶಾಪ್ ಇದೆಯಾ, ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್, ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಶಾಪ್, ಗೋಲ್ಡ್, ಏನೋ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಇದೆಯಾ, ವಿ ಟೇಕ್ ಯು ಟು ಅ ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆನ್ ಪಾರ್ ವಿತ್ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಡೊಮೇನ್ ಖರ್ಚುಗಳು, ಹಲವಾರು ಖರ್ಚುಗಳಿದೆ, ಅಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ 2 to 3 months. ಅಂಡ್ ಯು ಮೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಫಿಯರ್, ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನನ್ಗೇನಕ್ಕೆ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್? ಬಟ್ ಟುಡೇ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಫ್ರೀ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್, ಅಂಡ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಸಿಟಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ Bangalore, Wilson Garden. You can do business anywhere in India, provided you have a delivery partner. This is worth 50,000. In actual, it is more than 2 lakhs. Next, we are talking about a postpaid service. ನಾನು already explained ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ₹1 ನಿಮ್ಮಿಂದ ನಾವು upfront charges ತಗೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ. We don't take a single rupee of an advance from you. We give you postpaid service. After the service is received, you need to pay us a commission. That is a understanding between Global Garner and you. Now, third, we don't only give you a new customer. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರೋದಾರಲ್ವಾ, ಅವ್ರು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ರೀಟೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಅವ್ರು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಂಗಡಿನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಗಿವ್ ಯು ಅ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರಿಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಟೂಲ್ ಟು ರಿಟೇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಫಿಯರೆನ್ಸ್. ನೀವೇನು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಏನೋ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ರಿಟೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಬುಕ್, ಲೆಡ್ಜರು, ನಥಿಂಗ್. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್. ಥ್ರೂ ಅ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಕೀಪ್ ಅ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಿ ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್. ಈಗ ಹೊಸ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ರಿಟೇನಿಂಗ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಯುವರ್ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್. ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಯುವರ್ ಮಾರ್ಜಿನ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ದ ಮಾರ್ಜಿನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್, ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೋಲ್ಸೇಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಹತ್ರ ನೀವು ನೆಗೋಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಬೆಟರ್ ಮಾರ್ಜಿನ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ. We also have an option of giving an exclusivity in 1 kilometer radius, and whatever the commission you pay, when you are paying, let's say, for example, I'm telling you are giving a 6% commission. 10,000 business rupees, I have given you a business volume. You are paying GG 600 rupees. In turn, we give you 1,200 rupees GG coin. Now, what is the GG coin? I'll explain you in the slides to come. Idu matra illa. We also make you a big brand. You can have your own gift voucher. You can have your own gift cards. UPOS will start promoting your business. UPOS another greatest digital invention of India antivi. So with this, every UPOS owner will promote your business. ನೀವು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಳ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. You are not paying them directly. 9 ಲಕ್ಷ UPOS owners ನಿಮ್ಮ business ನ ಇಡೀ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಪೂರ ಪ್ರಮೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. They will do a sales of your thing. So in simple, Global Garner is not advertisement, lead generation, marketing company alla. We are hardcore sales company. So we take care of your sales and we help you get more sales. So ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, I don't own a business. But ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋರು ಸುಮಾರು business owners ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. So can I refer? What do I get? Yes, when you refer your friend, colleague, your neighbor, whoever is owning a business service, You as a user, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವೇನು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. You know a kirana shop where you are doing a day-to-day expense purchase. You know a vegetable vendor where you are purchasing. You visit a hotel. You do a recharge somewhere. All these guys can be made as vendors. For doing that work of vendor, you are going to be rewarded with 2.75 commission in what they pay. We have made it very clear. ಏನ್ ಕಮಿಷನ್ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೋ ರೆಫರ್ಡ್ ವೆಂಡರ್, ಆ ಕಮಿಷನ್ ಇಂದ ನಿಮಗೆ ಲೈಫ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ರಾಯಲ್ಟಿ ಆಗಿ 2.75% ಕಮಿಷನ್ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ vendor referral. So we are moving on to the next section, user. How confidently we are able to tell ನಾವು ಹೊಸ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ, ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ನ ರಿಟೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ, vocal for local. Okay, so what are the user benefits? So if you just look at, we give a free app, free of cost. ನೀವು don't download it directly from the Play Store. Wait for a link from your person who was invited. ಯಾರು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಇನ್ವೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರೋ ಅವರು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಲಿಂಕ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ವಾಟ್ಸ್ಆಪ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ. ಆ ಲಿಂಕ್ ನ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯೂಸರ್ ಆಪ್ ನ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್? ವಿ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಅನ್ ಎಂಟಿ ಆಪ್. ಓಕೆ, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಅ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಪವರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಪ್ ವಿತ್ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ವಿ ಗಿವ್ ಯು 126 ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ. ಅಮೆಜಾನ್, ಫ್ಲಿಪ್ಕಾರ್ಟ್, ಮಿಂತ್ರಾ, ಮೆಟ್ರೋ, booking.com, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಫೇಮಸ್ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ಗಳು, ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ಗಳು, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇದೆ. ನೀವು ಆರ್ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ tomorrow itself we can start purchasing it. Next, mega brands like Big Bazaar, Central, Kalyan, Baskin Robbins, Allen Solly, 34,000 brands already ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇದೆ. ಇದೇನು ನಾಟ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕಮ್, ಫ್ಯೂಚರಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ. ಇದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಅಮೆಜಾನ್, ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಬೈ ಇನ್ ಮೆಟ್ರೋ, ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗೋ ಟು ಬಿಗ್ ಬಜಾರ್, ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗೋ ಟು ರಿಲಯನ್ಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ, ಬಟ್ we visit our nearby stores. So ಈಗ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 20,000ಗಿಂತ ಮೇಲಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟೋರ್ಸ್ ಗಳಿದೆ. our aim is to get 36 lakhs local vendors. Okay, so moving on to ಇದು, I think it's a very easy slide. ನಾವು ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. All of us are family people, a family of 2 adults and 2 kids living in anywhere in India. Definitely we spend on all this. ಗ್ರಾಸರಿಗೆ ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ, ಅವಸ್ಥೆ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಕ್ಲಾತಿಂಗ್ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಜಿಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫಿಟ್ನೆಸ್, ಸ್ಪಾ, ಸ್ಟೇಷನರಿ, ಈ ಖರ್ಚುಗಳು ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ಇದು ನಾವು ಮ್ಯಾಂಡೇಟರಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅನ್ಅವಾಯ್ಡಬಲ್. ರೀಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಕೂಡ, ಈಗ ನೀವು ಪವರ್ ಬಿಲ್ ಕಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ there will be power cut at your home. ನೀವು ವೈಫೈ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ you don't pay a bill, there will be no internet at home. So approximately 22,500 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಒಂದು ಆವರೇಜ್ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ತಿಂಗಳು ಖರ್ಚುಗಳಾಗ್ತಾನೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ವೇರಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ 5% to 10%, depends on the family size and ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ವಾಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ಜಾಗ. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಖರ್ಚಾಗಬಹುದು, Tier 2, Tier 3 ಸಿಟಿಲಿ ಒಂದು ಮಾರ್ಜಿನಲ್ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ತಿಂಗಳು ಇದು ನಾವು ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ವರ್ಷನೂ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮದುವೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಮೇಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್, ಗೋಲ್ಡ್, ಹಾಲಿಡೇಸ್, ಆನಿವರ್ಸರೀಸ್, ಮೇಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸ್, ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ನಾವು ಖರ್ಚುಗಳು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ವಿತ್ ಅ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ expenditure, additional 35,000 per month on average we spend. So on an average in a month we spend about 50,000 ನಾವು ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. Whether we like it or not, we are doing this. It will vary from size of the family and place of living. Okay, so now what happens all this while, ಇಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್, ಮಂತ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರಬಹುದು, ವರ್ಷಗಳು ಖರ್ಚುಗಳು ಇರಬಹುದು, ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ, then we forgot. Okay, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಬಂದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಏನಿದೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಮರ್ತ್ ಬಿಟ್ವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ಗಾರ್ಡನ್ ಇವತ್ತಿಂದ ನೀವು ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಯು ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಅಶ್ಯೂರ್ಡ್ ಆಫ್ 100% ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರಿವಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್. 100%. There is nobody can talk on this 100% in the entire globe. We are the one and only one. We can give you every customer, every transaction, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ಗೂ ನಾವು 100% ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ನಾವು ಕೊಡಬಹುದು. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಯು ಹೌ ಅಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್. ಸೊ ಹೌ ದ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್, ಒಂದು ಲಿಂಕ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಇನ್ವೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋರು ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಆಪ್ ನ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಆ ಆಪ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬೈ ಫೋರ್ಸ್. ಬೇರೆ ಕಂಪನೀಸ್ ತರ ಇದೇ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲ. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ 20 crore plus ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ನ ನೀವು ತಗೊಳ್ತೀರಾ, ನೀವು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗೋಸ್ಕರ 10,000 ನೀವು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, 10,000 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ವೆಂಡರ್ ಅಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನು, ಜಿಜಿ ಕಾಯಿನ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಜಿಜಿ ಮನಿ. ಈ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು 100%. 10,000ಗೆ ನೀವು ಬಟ್ಟೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 10,000 GG ಕಾಯಿನ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ವಾಲೆಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಬಂತು ನಿಮಗೆ, ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ GG ಕಾಯಿನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನ not only GG coins you get, you also get GG money. GG money ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ real money. GG coin virtual money. GG money is a GG coins is a virtual coin, virtual money. GG money is a real money, and we give you 2 to 10% cash back coming into your wallet. And this is possible for every one purchase that you do. Okay, so now these are the brands who will accept GG coins. You can ask me, what do I do with the GG coins? The GG coin itkondu nanu yen madodu? So GG coins can be redeemed at the next consequent purchases in any of this. Now most of the brands are accepting GG coins. Nimma app alli ಯಾವುದು ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಕಾಯಿನ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಈ GG coin ನ accept ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, so now we are moving on to a simple example of what is UPV. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ UPV ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು, because this is one of the very important cashback options. What is UPV? User purchase value. ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗೆ, you are family, you are buying 5,000 grocery, electricity bill recharge 2,000 ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ ಗೆ 1,000, ಕ್ಲಾತಿಂಗ್ ಗೆ 1,000, average ನಾನು ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Restaurant of course today we are not able to go out, but having said that definitely we would have. So ಒಂದು 10,000 ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಖರ್ಚಿಗೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ನೀಡ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು UPV ಜನರೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ UPV ನಿಮ್ಮ ಯೂಸರ್ ಆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಕಲರ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು UPಗೂ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಗಿವನ್, ಯುನೀಕ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Okay, now I am moving on to the cash backs. There are 4 types of a cashback. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ customers, like I wear a t-shirt, I wear a shirt full sleeve, different colors, each one of a choice is different. Choice illa andre probably Maruti will be the only company car manufacturing in the entire India. So we have as a consumer a
Hello.
taste. Yes.
Shall I ask a question? Sorry to interrupt you.
No questions will be allowed now. I'm really sorry about it. End of the session we will have it, please. It will disturb the entire flow. Okay, I request
Okay,
you
no
to keep
problem.
your
Please go
question.
ahead.
You can make a note and then you can ask me the question later.
Okay,
Definitely we
please
welcome. Okay,
go ahead.
thank you.
Please go ahead.
Yeah. So what we are talking about is an instant cashback. ಮೊದಲನೇದು, you just need to choose an instant cashback before a purchase. It's very simple and straight. 10,000 ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2%, 200 rupees comes back as a real money. It's very simple. Next one is, you spend 10,000, one UPV generated. Every month there is a random pick choice happens. You are lucky, you can get even 100%. Otherwise 2%, 5%, 8.5%. Okay, that's an RPP. As the name goes, random pick process. The next one we are talking about, FIFO. FIFO is a very powerful cashback. UPV generate madidira, first in, first out. How does that work? Let us say, Apurva, I'll take an example. She has done a purchase of 10,000 here in Bangalore. One UPV generate aitu. She has selected FIFO, and there is spending happening all over India. Somebody is buying gold, somebody is buying a clothing, somebody buying medicine, somebody having a food. UPVs are being generated all over. Not necessarily they are all known to Apurva. There can be anybody. Okay, 6 UPVs. Now, modele example kotte, 210 lakh crore transaction every month. So 60,000 transaction, it just happens in every second. 6 UPV generated, automatically tagged under Apurva. So she gets 500 rupees. ಅವ್ರು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಅವ್ರ ಮನೆ ಖರ್ಚಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ. ಈಗ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರು ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ, ನಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್, ನಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ, ಮುಂಬೈ, ಪುಣೆ, ಅಹಮದಾಬಾದ್, ಎನಿವೇರ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. She has got 500 rupees. Next, the trading continues. 36 UPVs, 1,000 rupees. And 216 UPV, 8,000. So whatever she spent, 85,000 and 500, she got back 10,000. But business still grows. So she also gets an opportunity of earning 10,000 more by redeeming her GG coins. This is a reply for the earlier question. What do I do with the GG coin? Apart from 5%, you also get an opportunity of earning 10,000, which is a real money. What you got free for buying a cloth, you get a real money back. So in a nutshell, you spend 10,000, you got 20,000 back. This is the normal funneling. Apurva's UPV 2, 3, 4, 5 can be from Mumbai, 6, 7 can be from Ahmedabad, 8, 9 can be from Bangalore, something can be from Bangalore. So in FIFO, everybody gets an opportunity of earning 20,000. There is no fixed timeline. Wherever the business is growing, whenever the business is growing, they will get earned. In fact, now our FIFO is at the 1 crore level, so it is going slightly slow. Now we felt that this is only 4 limits. we have another option of My Circle. My Circle, like FIFO, 4 levels will continue, but it doesn't stop with that. It continues to 9 levels. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ನಿಮಗೆ ರಿಯಲ್ ಮನಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಜಿಜಿ ಕಾಯಿನ್, ರಿಯಲ್ ಮನಿ ಜಿಜಿ ಕಾಯಿನ್. ಸೊ 9th level ಅಲ್ಲಿ you get 21 lakhs real money and 50 lakhs GG coin that can be converted. So in total, you as a UPV number 1 who spent 10,000 got things for you. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಖರ್ಚಿಗೆ 10,000 ನೀವು ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು UPV ಜನರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. Here is an opportunity of earning even 1 crore. Okay, so you find this interesting? Definitely all of us do a referral. You refer, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಬರೋ earnings ಇಂದ ನಿಮಗೆ 10% will come. Whatever the earning your referred person earns, you get 10% out of it as a cash back. You might ask a simple question, John, you are giving big numbers, 1 crore, 20,000. How does it? Is sadhyana? Is it practically possible? This is the first question came to my mind. ನಾನು ಕೂಡ ಇದೇ ಡೌಟ್ ನನಗೂ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು. So now we are 1 year old, and when we started receiving money, when we started experiencing these kind of a small doubts don't come in. But those of you coming for the first time, ಮೊದಲನೇ ಟೈಮ್ ಈ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋರಿಗೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಈ ತರ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಬರಲೇಬೇಕು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಇದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ? ನಾನ್ ನನ್ನ ಮನೆಗೆ ಖರ್ಚಿಗೆ ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ, 1 ಕೋಟಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 20,000 ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಐ ಟೆಲ್ ಯು one UPV. This is a very, very important slide. I want all of you to pay attention. So ಒಂದು UPV generate ಆದ್ರೆ 5% commission Global Garner ಬರುತ್ತೆ. This is the profit, the revenue, what comes in for Global Garner. In turn, we give you a movie ticket. 6 UPVs generate ಆಗಿದೆ, ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ 60,000 business Global Garner ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಆಗಿದೆ. So we are taking 6 into 500, 3,000 rupees. This is an inflow. The blue box one is the outflow, what we pay out. So ನೀವು UPV number 1 ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಿಮಗೆ 500 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. I gave an example of Apurva. She gets 500 rupees on 6 UPVs. Our expenditure is 500. It goes on with 36 UPV generate ಆಗೋ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 18,000 Global Garner ಗೆ ರೆವೆನ್ಯೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. The expenditure that we do is 4,000. 36 at the next level 216. We give a payout of 32,500. At the 4th level, we give a payout of 2 lakhs, and the inflow is 6 lakhs. Not only Apurva UPV number 1 gets 20,000, next 6 people gets 8,500. 36 ಜನಗೂ 1,000 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 216 ಜನಗೂ 500 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. We don't only talk about the topmost person, we pay everyone at each level. So ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. This is the total income, 7,77,500. ಈ ಬ್ಲೂ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕೂಡ it will not touch 3 lakhs, but I have taken 5,53,000 because we give you movie voucher, cash backs, we give you GG coins, incentives and other things. We have taken a higher capping. Still, Global Garner will be left with 224,500 rupees. Friends, this 500 is a nominal commission. There are vendors paying us 10%, 20%, 30%, 70% kodoru kuda idare. There are vendors who are paying us 70%, imagine. But I have taken a very conservative number of 5%. So now, when you earn 1 crore, it might look very big value for you, definitely for all of us. Now, what in turn you are also giving Global Garner through you or through the entire community circle or Namma circle, what we do it in Karnataka, when you are getting 1 crore, you generate a revenue of 600 crores for Global Garner. And we give back 425 crores as an incentive, GG coins. Still 175 crore is left with Global Garner. So it is never a loss-making proposition, always a profit-making proposition. Mattume nimge ondu ತಿಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ, Global Garner is not a venture capitalist company. ನಾವೇನು ಸಾಲ ತಗೊಂಡು ಲೋನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಈ ಕಂಪನಿನ ನಡೆಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. We are taking exclusive based on the commission that we get from the vendors. So we are cash rich, debt-free company. Even Times of India kind of a company, they are given only media currency, not in the form of a investment. Okay, so we are moving on to a summary of user benefit. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಫ್ರೀ ಆಗಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. 100% ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್, 10,000 ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 10,000 GG coins. Along with it, 200 to 1,000 rupees cash back depends on the vendor commission. I told you, we work only based on the commission that each vendor gives. Next, we are talking about you as a customer can redeem 5 to 40%. 5% ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸುಮಾರು ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್. ನಮ್ಮ GG ಮಾಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 40% ಕೂಡ ನಾವು GG ಕಾಯಿನ್ ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. And then you can redeem GG coins through UPV. Also, 10,000 ನೀವು ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿರೋದು 1 ಕೋಟಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ UPV ಮುಖಾಂತರ 1 ಕೋಟಿ ಅರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಕಾಶ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ as a user, free. You are not doing any FDs, you are not buying anything. As per our will and wish, you are purchasing it for yourself. 10% commission ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ when you refer your customers. 2.75% you get as a referral benefit. Every rupee, every single rupee you spend, ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ಖರ್ಚಿಗೆ it becomes as an investment. It comes back as a ಲಾಭ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಲಾಭ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Not only your expenditure, every rupee you spend, others spend also. Mumbai, Pune, Mangalore, it will come back as a revenue for you. So in a summary, everything comes into you at zero risk. It's totally free. Okay. So as a user, you have nothing to lose. Idu on the sample slide now hakiradu of one of our veteran, Mr. Balu Velayadam, who is the state head of Tamil Nadu. This is appreciation from the chairman. You see, this is his app. ನೀವು ಈ ಆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Of course, today it will be all zeros. Okay, as a user app, ಅವರಿಗೆ more than 6 lakhs he has got a GG coin, more than 3 lakhs he has earned. Simply, he might be a leader, but these are all the benefit that he got as a user. So UPV 23 generate ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. UPV ಮುಖಾಂತರ 1.5 ಲಕ್ಷ, almost 1,36,000 he has earned. So this is a real example and testimonial. If I show mine, numbers are lesser, but it is not zero. And if I ask Mr. Devraj, who is the state head of Karnataka, he will show half of this. Okay. So which means we are experiencing for ourselves and we are earning. Now, ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ earnings ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. It is not magic or miracle. It is a very systematic step-by-step process. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಯೂಸರ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ನಾಳೆ ಲಕ್ಷಾಂತರ ದುಡ್ಡು ನೀವು earn ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. It will start from rupees, it gradually increases. Okay. So now we are moving on to the next very, very interesting subject, digital mall. ಈ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ ನಾನು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇಂಡಿಯಾಸ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಇನ್ವೆನ್ಷನ್. ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅನ್ ಆಂಟರ್‌ಪ್ರೆನ್ಯೂರ್‌ಶಿಪ್ ರೋಲ್. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸೇ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಪಾರನ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೆವಿ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬೇಕು. ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ, ಆಪರೇಷನಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ನೌ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಯು ಒಂದು ವೆರಿ ಸಾಲಿಡ್ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ, ಉತ್ತಮ ಅವಕಾಶ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಲೈಫ್ ಚೇಂಜಿಂಗ್ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. This is because it's a digital mall, it's a software that can sit into your user in your mobile, tab or a laptop, and you can do a trading. So this is a sample look of the digital mall, which means it's a software and it is available for every Indian. Ivattu it's available for every Indian, but not after we sell off 9 lakh UPOS. And 9 lakh UPOS now sold out admele, your UPOS that you are buying it today, the price will increase. So it is limited. Even though 138 crore population of India, you can calculate only certain percentage of percentage is where it is 9 lakhs. So you have an opportunity today to own a digital mall. Why we talk about digital mall so with passionately, why we are promoting, and why is that John as an individual, our team has sold 450 UPOS in Karnataka, because we have seen in the past Ola, Uber, digitalization ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು business ಅವರಿಗೆ grow ಆಗಿದೆ. Zomato food, it does not mean that you and me never had food ordered, but today it has become user friendly. After Zomato and Swiggy has come in, it is at the click of a button you get it. Okay. Likewise, hotel bookings, not that we never went and stayed in hotels all this while, but after OYO and bookings.com has come, it has become so user friendly. That is the power of digitalization. So Paytm, Google Pay, okay, Phone Pay, we need to stand in a queue, token systems, apply for half a day leave when you want to do a transaction in the bank. Ivat yenagide, while you are driving, when you are on move, sitting and attending a presentation, you can do a transaction. Shopping, needless to say, Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, they have created revolution, digital revolution. Conference, best example is our own meeting. You might be in Coimbatore, you are in any part of Whitefield, in Tamil Nadu, Hosur, wherever it is. We are able to get connected through this digital platform with Zoom. Even our kids get a lot of education through this, the entire COVID pandemic. And communication, we know our day does not start and end without good morning, good evening messages or a WhatsApp or a Instagram. And we are so much used to this, and we cannot imagine without this communication tool through digitalization. That is why we passionately talk about our digital mall, which is the UPOS, Universal Point of Sales. It is digital mall antivi. You have an option to buy a shop. You need to put up a stall in, let's say, in a shopping mall, Orion Mall, PVR, or any of the Phoenix Mall type. You have ನಿಮಗೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಇರೋದು ಎರಡು, either during the construction time or once it is full-fledged. When it is under construction, you have a choice, because ನಿಮ್ಮ liking, ನಿಮ್ಮ taste ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಎಂಟ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಕೌಂಟರ್ ಹತ್ರ, ಎಲಿವೇಟರ್ ಹತ್ರ, ಎಸ್ಕಲೇಟರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಚೂಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಶಾಪ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಂಟಿ. ಈಗ PVR ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಹೋದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ನ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಪುಟ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ದೇರ್, ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಪುಟ್ ಅ ಶಾಪ್ ದೇರ್, ಯು ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಕ್ಯೂ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ತುಂಬಿದೆ, ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್, ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್, ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ವೇಕೆನ್ಸಿ. ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎರಡನೇ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋ ಟೈಮ್, ಲೈಕ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು ರಿಯಲ್ ಎಸ್ಟೇಟ್. ಈಗ ಪ್ರೀ ಲಾಂಚ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 50 ಲಕ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಷನ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 1 ಕೋಟಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆರ್ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ 70 to 80 lakhs. That is a choice you have. You can get in onboarded yourself as a vendor because we are in the pre-launch stage, and UPOS kuda 9 lakh limitation is there. So you can capitalize it and use it. This is the opportunity. That's where I told at the start of the meeting, you need to be really thankful and grateful to people who have invited you for this presentation. Iga ಒಂದು comparison ನಾನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. A typical new business or a shopping mall with Global Garner Digital Mall. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ huge investments. Let's say you want to open a shopping mall. It's out of your dream because thousands and lakhs of crore you need to invest. Okay, which I don't think so everybody is potential enough. Skilled people are required. You need to be from a business background. You need to be lot of additional skills are required. And time. ಇವತ್ತು ನೀವು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ದುಡ್ಡಿದೆ, ಲೋನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ಇದೆ, can you start it tomorrow? It takes 2 to 3 years. At times construction only takes 5 years. Building ready aitu, you need to search for brands. Lot of brands you need to compete with brands. Okay, building bandide, business start madidira, brands galu already, your shop, your business is full of brands. You need to have a maintenance cost starting from power, salaries, staff, renewal, lot of things are there. Over and above laws and bindings. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ನ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಷ್ಟು ಸುಲಭ ಅಲ್ಲ. ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಇಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ಕಂಪನಿ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಇಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು NOCs, lot of documents, laws and bindings, BBMP clearance, NOCs, approvals, what not. Over and above security and safety measures issues ಇದೆ. CCTV ಇಂದ security personnel and COVID, now you know it is become little more strict. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂತು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ, ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ PVR ಅಲ್ಲಿ just it's present day scenario. PVR you have everything, no customer. What does it mean? It's a huge loss. Okay, also very successful shopping mall you got business, you want to go to Koramangladinda, you want to go to Pune, you want to go to Mumbai, Pune, you want to go into Mysore, Mangalore. Not that easy. Now I'm comparing your business of this with Global Garner Digital Mall. Huge funds ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, negligible funds ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು, no skilled effort. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ ಪರವಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರ್ಟ್ ಒಪಿನಿಯನ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ನ ಇದ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇವತ್ತು ನೀವು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಇವತ್ತು ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ನಾಳೆ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಮಾಲ್ ನ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ನೀವು ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನ ನೀವು ಮಾರಾಟ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. You can start selling it. And all brands are there. I showed you how big the business is. Next slide also we'll talk about it. Online, mega brands, local vendors. Zero maintenance. You cannot dream of any business in this entire universe with zero maintenance, no renewal. Laws and bindings, we have already taken all the permission on behalf of you. It's a software, so there is no need of a security and safety measures. And to bring the customer is very easy. All that you need is your mobile with internet, sitting in anywhere in India. You can get all over the business. You can be Mysore, Mangalore, Dharwad, Bidar, tier 2, tier 3 cities. You can get customers from all over India. Another beautiful is hassle-free multiplying. Let's say you have a branch in Bangalore. Tomorrow you can operate out of Mysore. The following day you can operate out of Mumbai, Pune as well. So this is the typical comparison of a traditional business, traditional shopping mall with digital mall. So how big is the size of your business? Let's say you decide to buy a digital mall today, you pause today. How big is the business? 126 websites is already there. So you become an owner, you become a franchisee, you become a distributor. What have you invested in Amazon? ₹1 ನೀವು Amazon ಅಲ್ಲೋ, Flipkart ಅಲ್ಲೋ, Myntra ಅಲ್ಲೋ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. Still ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕುಟುಂಬದ ಇರೋರು, ನಿಮ್ಮ neighbors, ನಿಮ್ಮ people living surrounding your existing customers, they buy, you get a commission. Not only online, we are talking about ಹಲವಾರು brand, brand KFC, Myntra, Kalyan, Reliance, Central Mall, Apollo, all these are already embedded with Global Garner. They are all vendors with us, 34,000 mega brands. Over and above, we are talking about local 36 lakhs vendors. In simple, you will be owning, you become an official distributor franchisee of 20 crore plus product and services. Just imagine, friends. So that is where I told you should be thankful to people who have invited you. Now, what is the cost? You have an option of buying this digital mall for 4.5 lakhs plus GST. But these are the benefits that we give. You can say, John, right now, pandemic, I do not want to take a risk. There are a lot of people who are taken in Bangalore. We have another digital mall, which is called a Gold UPOS, 1.5 lakh plus GST, and you get a lot of benefits. The third one we are talking about is 50,000 plus GST, 54,000 plus GST, 63,720, and you get benefits. We call it a silver UPOS. All the three is lifetime ownership, no renewal, it goes on. Okay, now 54,000, you also get 50,000 worth vouchers. You get a standee display board, pamphlet, flyers. Let's say you have a small office, you can display it and start promoting it. Along with one digital mall you buy, you can have 18 branches across India. Okay, it can be a vendor, your friends, your colleagues, you can give it to them free, and they will also generate business along with you. With the brands like Times of India, you get an opportunity to get more and more customers into your UPOS. So in simple, by buying these UPOS, you can become a franchisee of 20 crore plus product and services with 34,000 brands and 36 lakhs local vendors is what you will be getting in. So let's take ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗೆ this is very very important. ಈ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಮುಖ್ಯ. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಒಂದು UPOS ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸೇ ಯು ಆರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್. ನೀವು ಒಬ್ಬರೇ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ UPOS ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ತೋರಿಸಿದೆ 50,000 ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಆವರೇಜ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ. ಈ UPOS ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ UPOS ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಆಗಿ ನೀವು ಟ್ರೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 48% ROI ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ROI is what? Return on investment. That is not the reason why we are asking you to take a UPOS. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ 500 ಇಂದ 1,000 ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಅವ್ರಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವರು ಮನೆ ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವರು ನಿಮಗೆ 1,000 rupees per person ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರು 50 ಇಂದ 40 ಇಂದ 50,000 ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ 5 lakhs per month. So you can't imagine such a powerful business. 12,000% ROI. ROI we talk about return on investment per year. Here you are getting an opportunity. 54,000 ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ 5 ಲಕ್ಷ ನೀವು ಲಾಭ ತೆಗಿಬಹುದು. Okay, you can say, John, 1,000 rupees is too high. I am giving a very very conservative number. 100 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಇಂದ ಬಂದ್ರೆ 500 ಯೂಸರ್ ಇಂದ ನಿಮಗೆ 50,000 ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಈ 500 ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಲೀಗ್ಸ್ ರೆಫರಲ್ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ 10% ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್. ಎರಡು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 65,000 is your monthly earning, which means your ROI is 15,006%. Which means it's a huge return on investment what we are talking about. In simple, I am just summarizing the benefits of UPOS. You become a franchisee of 20 crore plus product and services. ನೀವು ಇನ್ವೆಂಟರಿ ಯಾವುದು ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಯಾವುದು ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಶಿಪ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯು ಆರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಅ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಟ್. ನೀವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಒಂದು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರ, ಕೇಬಲ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ, ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಕನ್ಸಲ್ಟೆನ್ಸಿ, ಕಿರಾಣಾ ಶಾಪ್, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಕಸ್ಟಮರು ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ರೆವೆನ್ಯೂ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು ಈ UPOS ಮುಖಾಂತರ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸೇ ಯು ಓನ್ ಅ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಶಾಪ್, that customer can come and do a recharge. You can generate a gold voucher for him. You can do a recharge voucher for buying Big Bazaar voucher, Reliance voucher ನೀವು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು. So your existing customers ಕೂಡ they can give you a revenue. So ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಶಾಪ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಡೀ ಲೈಫ್ ಪೂರ ನೀವು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಜೊತೆನೆ ನೀವು ಇದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ಗಾರ್ನರ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ you get a diversified inventory. Okay, you get loan, insurance, you can even sell a car. So diversified inventory you get, and the customers will come back to you again and again. Why? They are getting cashbacks, and it is not one income, UPOS commission, referral income, and vendor income. Everything you will get it. Zero maintenance cost. Sitting in Bangalore, you can service the entire India. You can earn a commission of 0.5 to 30% with 10 GG coins also. We are moving on to the next segment, partners. Okay, vendor free, user kuda free. ಒಂದು UPOS ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಅಥವಾ you wanted to be an integral part of global Ghana, like me, like Mr. Murali, like Apurva, partners. Okay, you can also join. Okay, the hierarchy goes like this. State head, who is Mr. Devraj, who is heading, like this is like a banking or ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಕೂಡ ಉದಾಹರಣೆ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. State head, regional heads, zonal or a branch head, like that. So state head is Mr. Devraj. I am one of the master channel partners and regional head. channel partners, Mr. Ambat Vinesh Menon for your team. And we have ACPs, assistant channel partner, who will be owning a pin code. And you all can join as partners as well. Okay. So this is how the hierarchy. This is the forecast for 9 months. As I told, we will be number 1 in India by managing 63 lakh crore sales. How are we going to achieve it? It's not a magic. We need support from all of you, starting from state head, MCP, ACPs, partners, UPOS, and we are going to have 36 lakh vendors. We are going to manage 27 crore users. Imagine, friends, even a big brands like Amazon have got 4.5 crores users. We are talking about 27, but that is not big because we have 138 crore population of India. So what is that you get? ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಆದಾಯ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಒಂದು UPOS ನೀವು ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ಗಾರ್ಡನ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 5,000 ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 5% ಕಮಿಷನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿ UPOS earned. Not only that, ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ Grange, Aquash, lot of product and services are there. When you bring, you also get paid 2 to 15%. You also get lot of benefit as a user. Next, as an ACP, you get benefits. It's a transparent business. ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಆಗಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಬಹುದು. You are interested, you can get promoted as an ACP. ACP ಇಂದ you can get promoted as a CP ಕೂಡ. All this information, whatever I spoke, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಾಪಿರೈಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So what is next? You need to be part of this digital revolution andre you need to get in touch or ask those clarifications, whatever you have now. You need to decide what level you want to be. You have a choice. It's a 4-pillar partnership. I keep talking. One is a user. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನ ನೀವು ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ಗಾರ್ಡನ್ ಆಪ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ನೀವು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. You can enjoy the benefits. You have a business. You can be a vendor. You can refer a vendor. You wanted to take additional income. You can buy a UPOS. Next, you want to take up a leadership role like us, you can also. So for a leadership role, buying a UPOS is mandate. Ekandre, idu namma business, this is our product. UPOS another namma product. All these are limited. Just imagine 138 crore population of India, it's growing steadily. 9 lakh UPOS. So which means you know the percentage. It's a limited offer. Next, we are talking about 90,000 partners alone. We are talking about 18,000 ACPs. What is the percentage? You do a math. 138 crore, 18,000 ACPs, 1,800 CPs. Like that, it's a limited offer. So you need to take a decision. First come, first serve. Like I gave an example of a new building to under construction building to already established. You cannot buy a share of Infosys or a Wipro today. Okay, you cannot be buying a flat in Shantiniketan, which is already established. It will run into crores. But you had an option to buy a Shantiniketan flat when it was a pre-launch for half the price of today. So this is what I keep talking. So you have an option today. It is up to you to decide and make use of it. Nothing by force. As I told, the opportunity is for all and it is a limited offer. So with this, I finished my presentation. So you can unmute yourself and ask the questions that you want and we will be able to clarify it. Thank you. You guys have been brilliant audience. And now you can raise your hand. You can unmute yourself and then ask for the question you want. And the questions can be in English, Kannada, Tamil, and if it is in Telugu also, I think Mr. Murali will be able to answer one of them. Any questions you have, you can. Chat, please try to explain in English more because most of the people don't know Kannada. Who I invited. Okay, I do not see the message. Somebody should have prompted. Anyway, now I think you got a fair idea because it's a digital platform and pictorial representation is what we have done it. So if you have, Rakesh, if you have any of your friends who really did not, I can summarize the thing, or you can ask it in the form of a question, or we will have English WOWs as well. We have an English WOW in Saturday. Saturday, we have a complete English WOW, and Sunday, we will have a WOW in Kannada, 100%. Okay, now this is a blend because that is what is a request. So I thought it's a mixed crowd. So that is why, we did it. Whatever the questions you have, you can ask me, please. Yeah.
Hi, John. Good evening.
Yes, yes,
This
please.
is Chandana here.
Chandana, tell me, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah, from JP Nagar.
Okay.
So I just wanted to know, that day you said, like, earlier also I presented in your presentation,
All right.
and you have told like across India this GZ app is available, but whether, I just wanted to know, since I am from Northeast, I just wanted to know, is it available in Guwahati also?
Yes, very much, very much. Every pin code, every place of India,
But
we have.
when I went to the website of yours, then there, like, I already means installed the GZ app, and when I wanted to select from Guwahati pin code, it was not accepted, and I was referred by Sailesh Desiga. So I just wanted to know. Then he said like Northeast is not open, so I don't know how far it
No, no,
is.
no, no, no. This is full-fledged operations is not. As I told, we are in the pre-launch. But
Yeah.
you know what we need to do is we are in the process of recruiting, appointing, leaders for every pin code. Now,
Okay.
Northeast, there is already a state here and there is already a team. Only thing, it is
Okay.
not state-wise. It has been combined with
Okay.
6 to 7 states. For example, Tamil Nadu separate, Karnataka separate, Kerala separate, Andhra,
Okay.
Telangana, two put together one. Likewise, Northeast or Uttar Bharat, all put Delhi, Noida, north, like that we have got. Business
Mhm.
in the Northeast, it is not as good as what we are doing it in the South. But then it is
Okay.
there. We are
No,
not going
suppose
to
somebody
limit.
wants to buy up UPOS there in Guwahati.
You
So
can buy
what
it from here. No, why do you need to buy it from there? You can buy it from here.
No, because
That's
my brother, I am belong from Assam.
yeah,
So,
no problem.
and yeah, so I wanted my brother to be involved.
Okay.
So when I checked, that pin code was not available. So
No,
that's
pin
why I
code will
wanted.
not be available. I think you are getting confused. So pin code
Yeah.
availability is something to do with, which means there is somebody there already. You're getting my point.
Okay.
When there is
Okay.
somebody already appointed in the pin code, it will not be available. Let's say you take a
Okay.
Bangalore pin code,
Okay.
120 pin codes, it will not be there because we are all already recruited. Out of
Okay.
1,300 pin codes of Karnataka, we have
Okay.
already, got 900 people already recruited and appointed. So
Mhm.
now your question is two things. One, availability of a pin code or business availability. I can
Yeah.
give you an assurance 100% business is running. But what
Okay.
magnitude, what tune, that we
Yeah.
need to check. What you need to do is go into your user app, select
Okay.
that place, Guwahati, your place, your pin
Okay.
code, their location, and it will show
Okay.
local vendors, which means
Okay. Okay.
it's already there. Now, with
Okay.
regard to availability of a pin code, there are
Mhm.
certain pin codes which are available and certain pin codes will be made available end of May or June because the COVID we are not released. So let's say
Okay.
your brother wants to be an ACP. He wants to manage
Okay.
a pin code. We can
Okay.
recommend and that
Okay.
leadership training will be different. You can get in touch with me or get in
Okay.
touch with Mr. Desika, Murali or Apurva, anyone, and we will be
Okay.
able to guide you as to how it has to be done. For a leader,
Okay.
they need to buy a
Mhm.
UPass. It's a very simple investment and we
Mhm.
will guide and there is a training. Our
Okay.
global governance very powerful thing is this concept, whatever I've explained is only 10%. So which
Okay.
means 90% is yet to be learned. It depends on what you want to be, what your
Okay.
brother want to be. User,
Okay.
we can finish it in 2 hours. You want to be a
Okay.
vendor, 10 hours. You want to be a
Okay.
leader, UPOS owner, maybe 2 to 3 working days. You want to be a
Okay.
leader, learn everything 1 week. Like this, we have got courses and trainings. So this is only an outline. So you
Okay.
need to decide along with, Mr. Desika and your brother, and you
Yeah.
can involve me also if you need some insights. We have
Yeah.
asked Lorvin every day morning from 11 to 12. You can
Yeah.
be a part of it, and that's an open session. Okay,
Okay.
and we will be able to help and guide, and you can take on to the next stage, please.
Okay. One more question.
Yes.
Since I am an IT consultant basically, so
Yes.
I have started my own farm. So
Yes.
that is called Strategic HR Solutions. So
Alright.
I just started like still in budding stage.
Mhm.
So that day you said
Vendor,
everybody
everybody
has
can be
got
onboarded.
yeah.
Yes.
So and you told also like you are having lot of software developer positions in north, south, anywhere. So is there
Ahmedabad and Bangalore.
yeah.
Ahmedabad and Bangalore, we have a
So
requirement. Yes.
can my farm also be taken an opportunity as a vendor
You
so
can,
that you
definitely.
can
Yes.
yeah, for that like how to go about it?
Yeah, there is a separate training for onboarding of a vendor. We do an
Yeah.
exclusive session. It's a simple, you need to have your documents, your KYC, your
Okay.
Aadhaar, PAN, your company
Mhm.
registration and business proof. If it is a partnership, proprietorship, whatever registrations will be there. Then
Okay.
you onboard yourself as a vendor. Now we will start
Okay.
promoting your business, UPOS owners and everybody. You will get a lead.
Okay.
Once you get a lead, you will have an understanding between Global Garner and you. what percentage of a commission you can give it. I'm not asking you upfront. Post the business comes in, you will be agreeing on a commission. So that
Yeah.
it will be, done. Whatever is the commission you agree, once
Yeah.
I give you a sale, you need to pay us. It's not
Okay.
upfront. So like that,
Okay.
we will be able to, then,
Okay.
we will take on to the next level. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Yeah. And today also 7 o'clock, I will be the presenter and we are going to do in depth how you as a vendor. One is your
Okay.
software.
Okay.
All this well, that's what an example I gave as a software thing. You focus only software, but you can also, along with software, you can do a lot more. How it is, I am going to give a presentation at 7 o'clock. You all can join also. Otherwise, also recordings will be available. Okay.
Okay,
Fine.
here
Yes.
one more small clarification. You said like as a vendor, like suppose strategic HR solutions get into as a vendor.
Hmm.
So who will be providing the requirement to us?
You will get a mail, you will get a lead. No, it will be there already.
Okay.
So you will be able to onboard, and there is a process. Okay. So customer
Okay.
will directly get in touch with you. You will negotiate, you
Okay.
will take the order, you will get the quotation, you will get the price requirement, everything you will do. But since
So
the lead
on-
has come into,
So on the contrary, like what I have to share some percentage with Global Gunner also, right?
very much. That is
Yeah.
that is our living. So because
Okay.
without your effort of marketing, without you
Yeah.
doing a promotion, we
Yeah.
are giving you a business.
Okay.
Now,
Okay.
this digital platform also will give you can give a video, you can give a sample template, you can talk your own, you can business, you can promote it. It's all free.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Shyam. Yes. Hi, Gayatri ma'am. Or Sanjay is, yeah, Sanjay Surana, you can unmute and clarify.
Yeah, 1 minute, sir. Good evening.
Good evening.
Sir, can you please share me your meeting ID and password for the 7 o'clock vendor?
It's already available. I think Apurva and Murli, please, forward that, because I'm not sure if Gayatri ma'am and others are part of the group of Lorwin. Whatever the group you have, you please transfer it, please. It's going to be really powerful. I'm going to give a new dimension to, how a vendor can be also. Okay. It is not the ordinary onboarding process documentation that anybody will do. This we are trying to give a different dimension altogether. Neevu vendor agi yenella maadabodu. How you can increase, your income, it could be what it could be. I'm going to give a big picture. Okay. So, Mr. Murli, neevu share maadi a link na. Whoever is free, you can join. Yes, Mr. Sanjay.
Thank you, sir.
Good evening, Good evening, Sanjay.
ಸರ್ ಈಗ ಈ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನೆಲ್ಲ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು.
ಯಾವ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಜಿಜಿ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಇನ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್
ಓಕೆ.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಒಂದು 2-3 ಸೆಷನ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಮೇಲೆ
ಓಕೆ.
ನಾನು ಮುಂದೆ ಸಪೋಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಇದನ್ನ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರು ಇದೇ ತರ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ಸ್
ಯಾಕೆ ಇರಲ್ಲ? ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತೀರಾ? ಓಕೆ.
ಹೆಜಿಟೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಫುಲ್ ಹೆಜಿಟೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಈ ತರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಲಾಕ್ ಡೌನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂಡ್ ನಾನು ಓನ್ ಪ್ರೊಪರೇಟರ್ಸ್, ಅದರಿಂದ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಟೈಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬಹುದು.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್.
ಬೇರೆ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಆತರ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಇಫೆಕ್ಟ್, ಅದು ಏನೋ ಇಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅದರಿಂದ ಅವ್ರು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ನಾವ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ನೀವು ನೋಡಿ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ 1 hour 2 hours ಮಾಡ್ಲೇಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಖಂಡಿತ ನಾನು ಲಕ್ಷಾಂತರ ದುಡ್ಡು ಅರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಮಾಡ್ಲೇಬೇಕು. ನಾನು ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ದ್ರೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬರೀ ಯೂಸರ್ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, 10 ನಿಮಿಷ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸಾಕು. ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಮೋಷನ್ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ನಡೀತಿ. ಈಗ ವಾಟ್ಸ್ಆಪ್ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀರಲ್ವಾ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ವಾಟ್ಸ್ಆಪ್ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ನೀವು ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀರಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬೈ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಗೆಟ್, ಆ ತರ ಒಂದು ನಾವು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿವ್ಸ್ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಅದು ಯೂಸರ್ ಆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಅವ್ರು ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್ ಎನಿ ಟೈಮ್.
ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕನ್ವಿನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
Yes, that is what we do. It's like a funneling system ಅಂತೀವಿ. 100 ಜನ ನೀವು ಇನ್ವೈಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಆ 100 ಜನದಲ್ಲಿ 5 ನಿಮಿಷ 2 ನಿಮಿಷ ಟೈಮ್ ಇದ್ದು ಅದು ಯೂಸರ್ ಆಪ್ ನ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಬಂದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಂಗೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಯೂಪಾಸ್ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ 100 ಜನ ನೀವು ಇನ್ವೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ 60 people 40 people ಮಾತ್ರ ಯೂಸರ್ ಕೂಡ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಬೇರೆಯವರು ಕಮಾನ್ ಐ ಸೀನ್ ಇನಫ್ ಅಂತ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ನಾನು 50% ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಅವರು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಜಿಜಿ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬಂತು, ಒಂದು ಮನಿ ಅರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 10 ಇಂದ 20 ಜನ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಆಗ್ಬಹುದು. ಒಂದು 5
Okay.
ಜನ ಉಪವಾಸ ತಗೋಬಹುದು ನಿಮ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ. ದಿಸ್ ವಿ ಇಸ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್. ನೀವು ಒಂದು 100 ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ವಿಟೇಷನ್ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರೆ 100 ಜನನು ಉಪವಾಸ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇಲ್ವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್
UPOs ತಗೊಂಡ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸರ್ ನಮ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಏನ್ ಎಫರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ?
ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಈಗ ಹಿಂಗೆ ನೀವು ಇನ್ವಿಟೇಷನ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಿರೋ ಆ ತರ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
Suppose I take UPO.
ಉಪವಾಸ
UPOs ತಗೊಂಡ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಏನ್ ಎಫರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ?
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಸೆಪರೇಟ್ ಸೆಷನ್ ಅನ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಅದು. ಓಕೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಖರ್ಚಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಈಗ ಬಿಗ್ ಬಜಾರ್, ರಿಲಯನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗೋದು ಜಿಜಿ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ನೀವು ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಈಗ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಔಟ್ ಟು ಬೈ ಅ ವೆಜಿಟಬಲ್ ಟುಮಾರೋ, ಆ ವೆಂಡರ್ ಇದಾರೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ, ತರಕಾರಿ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀರಾ, ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಥವಾ ಪೇಟಿಎಂ ಫೋನ್ ಪೇ ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಒಂದು ಬಿಲ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಯುವರ್ UPOs ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಬಂತು, ಜಿಜಿ ಕಾಯಿನ್ ಬಂತು, ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬಂತು, ಅದರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಆ ವೆಂಡರ್ ನ ನೀವೇ ಆನ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಕಮಿಷನ್ ಬಂತು. UPOs ನಿಮ್ದೇ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ 5 to 6 types of an income will come to you. ಈಗ ನೀವು ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಇದೇ ತರ ಒಂದು 100 ಜನ ನೀವು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕ್. ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸೆಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಅನ್ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್, gated community, your office, your business, let's say 50 people. In fact, there's a calculation also we give. So, okay, that will help you even earn 1 lakh, 2 lakhs every month royalty.
Yes.
ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನೀವು IRDA ಸರ್ಟಿಫೈಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ಲೀಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋರು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಫೀಸಲ್ಲೂ ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂತಾರೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ 1,200 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ಲೋನು, ಒಂದು ರಿಯಲ್ ಎಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಒಂದು ಗಾಡಿ, ಒಂದು ಕಾರು. ನೀವು ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮಗೂ ಆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಏನು ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟೆಡ್. ಸಿ, ಯೂಸರ್ ಆಪ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸಿಂಗ್, UPOs is for selling. So this is how it is, and then we will be able to work on.
So one ಇದು ಲೋನ್ ತಾವ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಸೆಪರೇಟ್ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಸೆಷನ್ ಇಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಸರ್. ಫಾರ್ ಲೋನ್ ಯು ಟೋಲ್ಡ್, ಫಾರ್ ಲೋನ್ ಯು ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಸೆಪರೇಟ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಸೆಷನ್ ಇಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ.
ಇದು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ ಔಟ್ಲೈನ್. ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ 10%. ಇನ್ನು ಹಲವಾರು ಇದಿದೆ. ನಾವು ಈ ತರ ನೋಡಿ, ನೋ ಯೋರ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಸೆಷನ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ 7 o'clock ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ. ಇದು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್. 9 o'clock ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಶೇರಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಸೆಷನ್ ಇದೆ. ಈ ತರ ಅಂಡ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್, ದರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಯುಯಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಆ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಯುಯಲ್ ನೀವು ಗೋ ಥ್ರೂ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ 90% ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಡೆಮಾನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಈ ತರ ಸಿ ಅವರ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಇಸ್, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೈ ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗಿವ್ ಅನ್ ಆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಇನ್ lakhs. We wanted selected people like you. We take you, we train you, because you need to be hungry. If you are not hungry, ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ತುಂಬಿರೋರು ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ವಾಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಬೇಕು, ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಆದಾಯ ಬೇಕು, who wants to think, then we feed them in. Okay, that is how it is. So fantastic. We'll get on to the question from Mr. Kamaraj. Yes, Mr. Kamaraj. Mr. Kamaraj, you can unmute and talk. That will be the last question. The rest of the questions we can take it up tomorrow in Ask Lorwin, because I need to also get ready for my 7 o'clock presentation. Okay, this is for the entire Karnataka state. Okay, so I need to work on some slides. So hopefully you will permit me. Now I will answer this question of Mr. Kamaraj. Kamaraj, you can unmute and then talk, please.
If he is not available, I will ask one question.
Yes, Mr. Rakesh. Yes, Mr. Rakesh.
Yeah, actually, in the slides, we have some partners like Swiggy and Zomato and Big Bazaar like that, right?
Yes.
So if I want to go to that app, so what is the process, sir? I am checking there actually.
No. I think you are mistaken. That Zomato, Swiggy and other thing, we are talking about how the digitalization got converted into. That is an example. Now the slide where we have given our products is a different slide. See, I'm giving Paytm. I'm giving an example of how the banking or the booking, OYO and all that got improved. But out of that, definitely 10 brands are already there with us, not all. Okay. So the slides that we show in the user app, online, mega brand, local, or the slides that I show, what will be the big size of your business, all the brands are available. So simple, you need to go into your user app, click on best shopping website, you will find 150 websites. You go to mega brand, you will find about 20,000-30,000. All those are there. Local, it's all available. Okay. That slide on Swiggy and the OYO and other thing is for comparison, how the digitalization has changed the, economics and, how things have been made easy for you and me. That's the example. Okay.
Okay.
I think because of the language, I think few did not understand, but anyway, we will have a pure English, Zoom on Saturday evening, same time. Probably, 5 to 7, we will have a Zoom for 2 hours exclusive in English. So you can get most of your invite is there, and I'll be able to clarify that as well. Okay. So thank you so much.
Sure, sir.
With
Thank
this,
you
I
very much.
will finish and stay safe. We will catch up some other time, definitely, whenever based on availability. Please join if time permits for 7 o'clock session as well. We will give a bigger picture, not the basic. That is for an existing team. So how powerful and how the business is going to grow is also we will discuss. So see you all in the next session. Thank you.